Hey guys, I'm Colleen, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com, and today I'm excited to show you how to make these rad foiled valentines using a free printable that I designed for you guys. There's two different ones here and deco foils, and you can see how nicely those shine. This craft is no mess, no glitter, no messy gold leaf, and it's really simple to get this beautiful shine. The best kind of crafting. Before I get into the tutorial, if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to do that below for lots more crafty videos and DIYs. For this project, you'll need your designs printed off on a laser printer. This is really important. This is what the foil adheres to. An inkjet printer won't work. You'll also need your deco foils. I use the watercolor purple color and the champagne, but you could totally use any color. You'll also need a paper cutter, scissors, and either parchment paper or a piece of plain just printer paper. So you can use any designs that you like printed off on a laser printer, but if you like my Valentines, you can grab the printable design for free over on my blog. I'll leave the link in the description here below. These are just simple Valentines that I hand lettered for you guys. The first thing to do is to cut your designs down to size. I used my paper cutter for this, but if you didn't have a paper cutter, you could definitely just use scissors. The next thing that you'll want to do is decide which colors of foils you'd like to use and to cut those to size as well. If you want to do two colors of foils on the same design, you'll need to cut them exactly to size. You cannot run it through the laminator twice, or I find that the foils don't adhere as well the second time through. Once you have the foils cut to size, place them over your design. You want the color side up and the plain silver side down directly against your design. Then you'll want to sandwich that in between a piece of paper and put it through your laminator. You want your laminator on the hot setting, or if you have specific heat settings, you can play with that. Mine's just hot or cold. Push it in until the machine feeds it through, and when it comes out, you'll be able to open it up and the foil will peel off your design really easily. It'll leave you with a beautiful, shiny, foiled Valentine. I love how easy these were to put together, and my daughter totally loves how shiny they are. These are some of the Valentines that she'll be giving out to some of her friends. She helped me make some, not for the video. You can also use this tutorial to put foil on any design. So if it's not Valentine's season, you could print out some Christmas printables and add the foil with this method, or you could do your own design for just stuff on your wall year-round. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY. For the full tutorial and for more rad DIYs, you can check out my website, LemonThistle.com. And if you liked this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.